Hello everyone. In this guide, we're exploring the top places to visit in Sicily. Sicily is one of the most fascinating places in the world. An island shaped by ancient civilizations, rugged coastlines, colorful towns, and world-famous food. From dramatic volcanoes to peaceful fishing villages, there's something here for every kind of traveler. Whether you're into history, nature, or just want to relax on a beautiful beach, this list has you covered. Before we jump in, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more travel inspiration. Ready to discover Sicily? Let's go. We begin in Palermo, Sicily's energetic capital and cultural heart. Known for its Arab Norman architecture, historic churches, lively markets, and iconic street food, Palermo is the perfect place to dive into the island's complex identity. With plenty of public buses and easy car rentals available, it's also a great hub to start your journey. Just a scenic train ride or an hour's drive east brings you to Cefalù, a postcard-perfect town that mixes medieval charm with sandy beaches. Climb La Rocca for sweeping views or relax by the turquoise water. It's an easy day trip from Palermo, but you'll want to stay longer. From Milazzo, a short ferry ride takes you to the Aeolian Islands. This volcanic archipelago offers dramatic cliffs, black sand beaches, and laid-back island life. Whether you're hopping between Lipari, Stromboli, or Salina, getting around by boat is all part of the adventure. Heading back to the northeastern tip of Sicily, you'll land in Messina, a city that serves as the gateway between Sicily and mainland Italy. Trains, ferries, and buses all converge here, with impressive views, a historic cathedral, and a fascinating maritime vibe. From Messina or nearby Catania, it's a scenic drive inland to Mount Etna, Europe's highest active volcano. Hike the trails, take a guided tour to the craters, or ride the cable car up. The surrounding lava fields and vineyards make the journey unforgettable. Just south of Etna, Catania welcomes you with bold Baroque buildings and a lively atmosphere. Easily reachable by train or car, this city is a fascinating mix of ancient history and gritty charm. Its central location also makes it a great base for exploring the East Coast. Hop on a train or drive north along the Ionian coast to reach Taormina. Perched high above the sea, with stunning views of Mount Etna, its Greek theater, boutique shops, and nearby Isola Bella make it a must-visit. The cable car down to the beach adds a fun twist to exploring this hill town. Heading south again, either by train or coastal highway, you'll arrive in Syracuse, one of the island's most historic and beautiful cities. Ortigia, its island old town, is full of charm and history. Explore ancient ruins, wander winding alleys, and catch sunset along the harbor. From Syracuse, drive inland through rolling hills to reach Ragusa. Though public transport is limited, a rental car opens up the scenic countryside. Ragusa Ibla, the historic quarter, is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. It's also home to some of Sicily's best restaurants. A short drive from Ragusa takes you to Modica, known for its golden buildings, split-level streets, and rich chocolate-making tradition. Try the cold-processed Modica chocolate, unique in both texture and taste. It's a sweet reward for your southern Sicily road trip. Continue inland to the heart of Sicily, and you'll reach Enna, perched high above the countryside, offering some of the best views on the island. Visit medieval castles and local cafes at a slower, more relaxed pace. Trains are available, but driving gives you more freedom to explore. Head southwest by car or bus to reach Agrigento, home to the incredible Valley of the Temples, one of the most impressive archaeological parks in all of Europe. Walking among ancient Greek ruins with the sea in the background is unforgettable. Just a short drive from Agrigento is Sicily, Turkey. A white limestone cliff that cascades into the sea like frozen waves. There's no public transport, so a car is your best option. It's one of the most unique coastal sites in Sicily. Following the coast west, you'll arrive at Selinunte, a vast and less crowded archaeological site with ancient Greek temples. Reaching it usually requires a car, but the solitude and sea views make it a peaceful place to explore. From Selinunte, enjoy a scenic drive to Trapani, a historic port city with Baroque charm and stunning sunsets. It's also a gateway to the Egadi Islands and the mountaintop town of Eris, well connected by ferry, bus, and train. A short drive north takes you to San Vito Lo Capo, home to one of Sicily's most beautiful beaches. Soft sand, clear water, and dramatic cliffs make it a paradise for beach lovers. Try the local couscous, especially during the annual food festival. No matter how you travel, timing is key. Spring and fall are the best seasons to visit Sicily. Mild weather, fewer crowds, and vibrant festivals await. Perfect for road trips, hiking, and sightseeing. Getting around Sicily requires a mix of transport. Trains and buses connect major towns, but can be slow. Renting a car is the best way to reach smaller villages and scenic areas. Ferries connect the islands, and local airports make regional travel easy. Sicily is a land of contrasts. Every road, ferry, or mountain path leads to something unforgettable. From ancient ruins to sandy shores, each stop adds another layer to the adventure. If you enjoyed this guide, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone dreaming of Italy. Have a favorite Sicilian town? Planning a trip yourself? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and buon viaggio.